The Hultafors Adjustable Miter Square Quattro. 270 is a highly versatile and robust tool ideal for woodworking, carpentry, and metalworking. It boasts 3 fixed positions at 45 degree, 90 degree, and 135 degree for precise marking and cutting of common angles. With a 270 degree rotation feature, it allows access to the opposite side of the stock, perfect for tight spaces or thin sheet metalwork. It also includes markings for 22.5 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 75 degrees over 15 degrees, simplifying the task of marking and cutting less conventional angles accurately. The foldable design ensures easy storage and portability. Its 45 mm wide blade, complete with a centerline and scribing notches, accommodates standard stud dimensions with precision. Additionally, the sharp outer corner aids in marking and cutting in confined spaces. Built to last with high-quality materials, the Quattro 270 is a durable and reliable tool suitable for various demanding tasks. The Powerbuilt Stretch Belt Mate is a handy 2-piece toolset designed for simplifying the removal and installation of stretch drive belts. With one tool dedicated to installation and the other for removal, this kit streamlines belt-related tasks. The installation tool effortlessly guides the belt onto the pulley, preventing damage, while the removal tool makes prying the belt off the pulley a breeze. Its versatility allows it to be used on a wide range of vehicles, and its user-friendly design makes it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. In summary, the Powerbuilt Stretch Belt Mate simplifies stretch drive belt operations, minimizes the risk of belt and pulley damage, suits various vehicle types, and is easy to operate. Metal roof profile rollers are crucial tools in the roofing industry, primarily used by professionals for applying coatings to various metal roofing panels. These rollers are typically crafted from durable materials like steel or aluminum, featuring diverse profiles to accommodate different panel types. To apply coatings effectively, attach the roller to a roller frame and glide it smoothly across the metal roof panel. The roller ensures an even and thin coat of coating, safeguarding the panel from environmental factors and enhancing its aesthetics. These rollers come in various sizes and profiles, with size selection based on panel width and profile choice tailored to the specific metal roofing panel type. The LaBear Palm Ratchet Kit is a versatile and durable set of tools, perfect for carpentry, woodworking, and metalworking. It includes a palm ratchet, finger ratchet, gear ratchet, and a variety of screwdriver bits. The palm ratchet, being the smallest and most compact, excels in tight spaces, while the finger ratchet, with its built-in finger grip, allows for one-handed operation. The gear ratchet is the largest and most powerful in the kit, designed for high-torque applications, with a selection of Phillips and slotted bits all made from high-quality steel. This kit handles a wide range of screw-driving tasks with durability. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the LaBear Palm Ratchet Kit offers versatility, durability, ease of use, and compactness for various tasks. The WUCO 2054/1000 radius bending combo comprises 2 specialized tools for bending and hemming metal on a radius. The 2050 is designed for precision bending, thanks to its single set of bearings that keep it securely on the metal during the bending process, resulting in tight 90-degree bends. Meanwhile, the 4010 is optimized for hemming, featuring an adjustable hemmer to accommodate various metal thicknesses and desired hem radii. This combo is highly versatile and suitable for bending and hemming steel, aluminum, copper, and more. Its user-friendly design ensures ease of use, making it an excellent choice for professionals. Crafted from high-quality materials and construction methods, it's built to last, and its compact size makes it convenient for use in confined spaces. The WELDPLAST 605 by Leister is a versatile handheld extrusion welder designed for welding geomembranes and other thermoplastic materials in civil engineering and similar applications. With an impressive output of up to 6 kilograms per hour, it ensures fast and efficient welding. Its ergonomic design prioritizes user comfort during extended use, and its robust construction guarantees durability. The WELDPLAST 605 can handle various thermoplastic materials, including geomembranes, HDPE, LDPE, and PVC. making it a valuable tool for professionals. It finds applications in welding geomembranes for landfills, dams, and environmental projects, as well as in roofing materials, swimming pool liners, tunnel membranes, and thermoplastic pipes and fittings. Its power, reliability, and adaptability make it a trusted choice for professionals in the field. The Powerbuilt Universal LED Brake Fluid Tester is a convenient and reliable tool for assessing brake fluid quality in vehicles, compatible with DOT3, DOT4, and DOT 5.1 brake fluids. Its simple design features 5 LED lights to indicate water content levels in the brake fluid, ranging from 0% to 8%. Using the tester is straightforward. Insert the prongs into the brake fluid reservoir and press the power button for an instant percentage readout. If the red LED or flashing red LED illuminates, it's time for brake fluid flushing, as water absorption can lower the fluid's boiling point and compromise braking performance. The Powerbuilt Universal LED Brake Fluid Tester offers a quick and hassle-free way for vehicle owners to monitor brake fluid quality, ensuring optimal road safety. The Auto-Lock Plunge lever from Trend Tool is a versatile and user-friendly tool suitable for a range of woodworking projects. This spring-loaded lever applies consistent pressure to firmly secure the workpiece, enabling hands-free operation during tasks like sanding, routing, and sawing. Its straightforward operation involves placing the workpiece on the lever and pushing down on the plunger, which locks the lever securely. Releasing the workpiece is as simple as pulling up on the plunger. This tool caters to both beginners and experienced woodworkers, providing the following advantages: dependable workpiece fixation, ease of use, versatility across woodworking projects, and durability due to high-quality materials and construction methods. MOTOKOMPASS is a versatile device designed for shaping rounded or rounded corner, furnishing elements on various materials like tiles, stone, and marble. Its components include a durable base, an adjustable rack for holding the cutting tool, a diamond-tipped blade as the cutting tool, a vacuum pump for material stability during cutting, and a cutting-off plier for sizing the material as needed. With MOTOKOMPASS, different shapes can be achieved, including half-round, quarter-round, bullnose, and jolly cuts. This powerful tool is ideal for creating aesthetically pleasing and functional rounded edges on a wide range of projects. The Miller MB08 Fiber Jacket Shaving Tool is a compact and user-friendly device designed for shaving longitudinal access windows in riser breakout and micro-duct cable jackets ranging from 0.19 to 0.55 in diameter. Its unique vertical handle facilitates efficient operation, even in confined spaces. The factory-set blade ensures precision without harming the fiber tubes within the jacket, and it is housed in a reliable anodized aluminum body for accurate blade positioning. This versatile tool finds application in various scenarios, such as mid-span or end access for FTTH riser cables and microducts, preparing cables for splicing or termination, and accessing fiber strands for testing or repair. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.